Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the frontal hairline app review to see with what you're using. So talking about the frontal hairline app, the hairline app is designed to make bucket travel management easier, offering features like flight booking, mobile check-in, digital boarding passes, and add-on purchases such as baggage and seat selection, all available on both iOS and Android. The app also supports loyalty account access and a low-fee notification, giving frequent flyers quick tools to manage trip conveniently. Many travelers find it helpful for fast check-ins and keeping travel details in one place. However, the app has been criticized for frequent glitches, including crashes, login issues, and trouble with modifying booking or adding extras. Some users also report problems retrieving boarding passes and note poor integration with customer service, which can also make resolving issues more difficult within the app. So in conclusion, the app worth it if you want a quick way to manage check-in and boarding passes, but not ideal if you want or if you expect smooth booking management or reliable technical performance. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.